Got it. 624.
Oh, sure enough, I'm on video. All right, guys, you want to talk about your experience this evening, folks? Here in the tent. What do you guys have to say about this evening? What's your name, sweetheart?
I'm Jackie.
Here we are, Jackie. It's a pleasure to be here with you here under the tent. What do you feel about being under the tent here this evening? How would you put it into words for
Well,
people
Bob,
out there?
this has been a great
Into
night.
the microphone.
You know, it's a great question, but it's been great. Love it. Staying dry, you know, trying to stay warm.
Trick question.
That's
is dad.
Holding down the corner.
It's great.
Come on.
What is corner life like? I hear that's pretty tough out there.
It's tough.
What's life like as a corner?
It's tough, and you are not representing the corner. Like, look, hold it down.
Oh, now it's about me. Okay, yeah.
It's all about Matt.
Yeah. All right.
No, I'd say my favorite part of the night was when I packed you and then we switched hands.
It's such a good picture, guys.
Can you send it to me, please?
Yeah, hold on.
Did you?
I think so.
All right, multiple message. If you want this picture, yell out your phone number now.
All right, what's your phone number?
440.
I need a
319 0562.
You need a break from us?
We're passing out digits right now?
It's good.
Oh,
that one's a framer.
checks out.
Hey, what's your
It's
phone
awesome
number?
picture. Thank you so much.
I got numbers. You want my numbers?
I got numbers.
I can many numbers. 2, 7, 9.
Can I see that photo real quick?
Yeah.
Because I'll probably never see it. So. That is hilarious.
Would you mind telling us your thoughts tonight as a member of the Blankets?
Wait.
The blankets were tough. The blankets were strong. It's 847 530 0016.
No, you hit a 6 instead of 5.
No, 847.
5.
You're videotaping this.
I know. I'm trying.
If I get that, thank you. If I don't,
All right. Closing out. All right, the blanket community. The
I didn't
blankets.
get your phone number at all. What is it? 847
The
what?
blankets.
547 what?
Yeah. You can find us on Twitter #blankets. You can find us on Facebook. Blankets. Find us on blankets.com/blankets. Oh, there's no blanket! Oh, we're under the blanket! Oh, can I get a hug? Yeah! Totally epic! Totally epic! Totally epic! I never thought I'd make it out of that blanket alive.
good time.
Hey, respect. Good time. Respect. Big ups.
Big ups.
Big ups. Shield here. I'm having a great time. Chi-Town Phish 2013.
It's gonna be alright. We're gonna see the sunlight. We're gonna see the sunlight. The world is made of energy. The world is made of energy. The world.
Closing out! Big ups! Woo!